Welcome to Stone Hands, to the Hands of Stone. The method, the persuasion method to get whatever you want, whatever you need. The secret to being a successful communicator. The method is simple, but we have been trained, educated, and programmed since childhood that we are not worthy, we should be quiet, we should not disturb other people, we should keep our own thoughts to ourselves. Sometimes we get harassed or bullied in schools. We are forced to do presentations or to communicate when we feel we are not ready or we do not want. And this method is a method where you have to utilize the aspect of fear. Yes, do something fearful each day. So it can have many layers. And let's begin from the first layer, the singular person layer. What it means? It means when you have a great idea, maybe you have a business plan, or you have a business, or you want to even start something, just start talking about it. Start speaking to other people about your great plan. And when they say something stupid or something offensive, just ignore them. Say, okay, I've still got this plan. But a way how to become great in telling about your plans to others is about asking, hi, I haven't heard long time of you. How are you? What you been up to? You begin by asking. And another person just begins to tell their story, and you're great, and then they ask, but how are you? Then you shall not tell the story of your family. Oh, I'm doing those things in my personal life, blah, blah, blah. No, you start with your great plan or your idea. Oh yeah, I'm starting this business and I'm looking for a person who could help me out with this, or I'm selling these things and it's just great, and maybe you know somebody who is interested in them. You just begin to tell your story. And it's not like you pick someone, one person a day. No, you pick all the people you know and you start asking from every one of them. And suddenly you realize you begin to get new contracts, new ideas, new opportunities, because you dared to speak up your own mind. So the second layer to the platform is speaking up to the strangers. When you are on a street, seeing someone, like asking, how are you, what you're up to? I'm doing this cool project, but it must be something cool that you can bring other people in. Or you can go to some group meetings or on Facebook groups. You can post and comment about your things, and people shall ask, how are you, what you are up to, and then you shall interact with them personally. And it's important to be persuasive and inquire questions that you ask from other people. How are you? What is your problem you are trying to solve? And then you are like, yes, I know. I've also had the same problem, and you deliver the solution. And the third layer to this method is doing something fearful in front of groups. Finding your local club where you go speak up, doing some karaoke. When you have a family gathering, you do a salutation. I would like to speak up now. And you just speak and you speak. You learn to speak in public. You learn to speak to groups. And I have a little bonus for you. One really fearful thing that you can do is to put your camera on a public place, on a high street or something like that. And people are passing by and you are just talking, speaking out your mind. And maybe you're speaking and someone comes there and you ask like, "Hi, how are you? I'm doing a video, blah blah blah, and tell me about your dream," or whatever. So you can broaden your sense of ability to draw attention and give out attention. And speaking out and speaking up is not about you, it's about other people, that you learn how to interact with other people, inquiring what are they up to and how are they. This is the most important and the strongest way to improve your skill of speaking, to become a great orator, and also to make millions in your business and make contacts, find new opportunities, stop your 9-to-5 job if you have one. So I hope this method will be useful for you. And I have a task for you. If you have a dream, if you have an idea, if you have a plan, maybe a business plan, I want to start selling blah blah blah, I want to help people for free, okay, then ask from today till the end of this month, when you are watching this video, 10 people a day. How are you? What you been up to? Oh, great. And then tell them about your plans, and maybe you are searching for someone or whatever, or maybe you're searching for some funds or some materials. You just start asking how are other people, and they ask from you how you are, and then you're able to help them with your great ideas. I hope you enjoyed. Check out 8 great exercises for the voice, and have a good day and subscribe.